Congratulations for making it to this video. If you're watching this, that means that you have officially scheduled your free one-on-one recruiting assessment for Torch on Track. And if you haven't already, you will learn how to schedule one by the end of this call. In order to handle the volume of calls coming through, you should expect to either meet with me or Vlad for your one-on-one. And we want to make sure that you get the most out of your one-on-one call with us. So next, Vlad is going to go over 5 simple steps to make sure we have an effective call. Vlad, take it away.
Thanks, Tim. So in order to be able to have a fantastic call with either me or Tim, you're going to want to follow these next steps. First, you're going to want to watch this video until the very end. The reason why is because we'll be giving a course overview and other critical information that will be necessary for our one-on-one calls. Second is please note that we don't do no-shows. And as Tim mentioned before, we're going to be taking lots of calls every day. So it just wouldn't be fair for us to block out an entire 45 minutes for somebody who's going to be a no-show. Please, if something comes up, let us know 24 hours in advance and we can accommodate you. Step number 3 is please bring anyone who is helping you make financial decisions. So it's a guardian, a mentor, or a parent, and have them on the call with you as well. Step number 4 is that we will send you a confirmation email just to lock in your time. Please reply to us and confirm that you're ready to go. And step number 5 is please make sure to take this call on a computer and sit in a distraction-free place. And if we find that you're a good fit, we'll proceed on to onboarding. And for you guys to know as well, all coaching calls will be conducted by Tim. So with that, I'm going to let Tim get into his transformation and further details about the program.
Thanks, Vlad. And now you may be wondering, who is Tim? Who is this guy giving me this presentation? Well, my name is Tim, and I'm the founder of Torch College Recruiting. I was a highly recruited track athlete in high school. I ended up going to Dartmouth College, an Ivy League school, where I was a 2-time academic All-American, a 2-year captain, and an NCAA regionals qualifier. After college, I coached at Southern New Hampshire University, and I coached a walk-on to become a 2-time All-American in the shot put. And then I founded Torch College Recruiting to help other athletes achieve their dream of becoming a college athlete, just like I did. And I had a ton of success before, during, and after college. But while I was getting recruited in high school, old Tim was someone that was navigating the recruiting process somewhat blindly. I thought I knew what I was doing, and I thought I was destined for a top-tier athletic program, since I was getting recruited to schools like Oregon, LSU, and Penn State, all of which I took official visits to. I went through nearly the entire recruiting process to realize I was looking at the wrong schools. And those dream schools I had weren't the academic, athletic, or financial fit I needed. By some miracle, I landed my last official visit at Dartmouth College, which ended up being a perfect fit for me. It was an Ivy League school, it was a D1 program, and I was able to save over $100,000 from their financial aid package. I committed there and had an incredible 4 years at Dartmouth. That being said, the recruiting process was a roller coaster ride, and it turned out to be a lot more stressful than it needed to be for old Tim. But by leveraging my experiences as a highly recruited athlete, as a D1 athlete, as a college coach, and then through founding Torch College Recruiting, the new Tim is an expert in the recruiting process. Through our recruiting platform, I've been able to help recruits make over 4,000 connections with college coaches. And I've expanded Torch by developing a system to guide athletes step by step throughout the entire recruiting process. I've helped students commit to top chalk programs like USC, UNC, Princeton, Stanford, Harvard, and dozens of others. And I'm thrilled to help the next generation of athletes maximize their opportunity as recruited athletes and achieve their college dreams again, just like I did. And that's why my team and I have created Torch on Track, a comprehensive recruiting program that'll guide you step by step throughout the entire recruiting process. With Torch on Track, I'm going to walk you through the very beginning through the very end of the recruiting process in our 8-module recruiting course, with assignments and materials to keep you on track throughout your entire recruiting journey. I'm also going to be available for our weekly Q&A sessions to solve your problems and answer your personal questions. I'm also going to give you lifetime access to Torch Pro, our recruiting platform, so you and more than 500 college track coaches can connect and chat with each other. Torch on Track is designed to make you go through the same or an even better transformation than I did, and I'm really excited to give you more details on the next slide. Torch on Track will have 8 modules, which I'm about to walk you through. In the first module, we will guide you through Torch's SPARQ recruiting assessment. And this will be used to assess where you're at in the recruiting process and also to define an ambitious but attainable goal for where you want to go. As part of that, we will also define what you will need to achieve academically and athletically to achieve your college goal. In the second module, SPARQ College Match, we will use the same SPARQ assessment from the first module to match with colleges that are an ideal athletic, academic, financial, and experiential fit. And we'll be finding these college matches using a combination of Torch's technology tools, materials, and research methodologies. In the third module, NCAA Recruiting Fundamentals, we will cover the foundations of college recruiting. You will create your college recruiting resume, college recruiting profiles, and I'll give you an overview of NCAA recruiting rules and regulations, so you have everything you need in place to get recruited in the following modules. In the fourth module, Connecting with College Coaches, you will start communicating with college coaches from your ideal college matches using our research strategies and templates. And then in our fifth module, Connection to Commitment, we will show you our proven plan to go from a recruiting connection to a college commitment or scholarship, and all the steps in between. And since the recruiting process is different for recruited athletes, in the sixth module, Cracking Admissions as a Recruit, you will learn how to navigate admissions as a recruited athlete to get into top-tier universities. And this will include interview prep and how to best prepare your college application. College is also extremely expensive, and we want you to find the best financial fit for you and your family. So in the seventh unit, the $100,000 scholarship strategy, you will learn how to save tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars by maximizing your scholarship and financial aid, and by also using our other cost-cutting strategies. And finally, in our eighth unit, Sealing the Deal, you will learn how to close the deal on scholarships, sponsorships, and admission spots. Each of these modules build upon each other to guide you step by step through the entire process. And with each module, you will have assignments to keep you accountable and keep you on track throughout the entire recruiting process. And as a reminder, each module is paired with a Q&A session, so I can guide you personally and help answer your questions throughout the process. This also comes with Torch Pro, so you can connect and chat with over 500 college track coaches. You can find all of this information in more detail on our website, which is linked in the description below. So now you have a decision to make, and you really have two options. First, you can continue to go through the recruiting process by yourself. Or second, you can confidently go through the recruiting process with a proven plan, with experienced guidance, and the technology to achieve your goals with Torch on Track. You can sign up for a free one-on-one Torch on Track recruiting assessment by clicking the Calendly link below to see if you're a good fit. And if you are, they'll help you onboard into the program at the end of the call. So if you haven't already, sign up for the free Torch on Track recruiting assessment. And if you have, we look forward to seeing you on the call. Talk to you soon.